Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amy. I'm just gonna show y'all how I dye my hair like a orangey or like I don't know, like a ginger color. Like I mix colors because I feel like that's the most consistent way to get the job done. I don't know. Okay, so first of all, what you gonna need? Okay, so I just threw it in the trash can because I'm a big old dodo bird. So what you're gonna need is what I use personally. I'm not a hairstylist, disclaimer, okay? And so I just do what I do. Okay, baby boo. Okay, baby. Okay. So first you're gonna need the ion developer. I use 20, volume 20, and then also I use, let me turn my fan off. And then the ion liquid coloring because I don't like the cream. That is too thick and gross. I don't like it. It's hard to work with. And then I use this one, the liquid, whatever the hell it says.
Oh, bitch, need to go back to school. Ion. She didn't know how to read anymore.
The ion.
Look at her go.
I'll just show you, but I could tell you. So I use these for her. This one is the intense red. And then this one's the light copper. So 8RC and 7RR. This is what I personally use. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but we're gonna see till then. Do you know what I'm doing? So, first you gotta do is okay, you only gotta give me a second because I'm gonna change. Cause I'm not using. Look at my sick shirt, bro. I'm not messing up. All right, so as you could tell, I separated my hair. Okay, I'm picking it up. Swift it up. Okay, so first you gotta separate. First you gotta separate your hair, like so. Man, I haven't washed my hair in about 3 days. Cause I'm a cochina. Just kidding. I haven't washed my hair in 3 days for this purpose of this dyeing of hair. So good enough. So I already have my hair dye here. All prepped because it's best to let it sit a little bit. So it could be nice and processed and shit. But that's what I'm gonna put on my face. I mean my hair.
Alright, y'all. So I did a little boo-boo, as you can obviously tell, because why would I be here, right? Okay, well, the fucking developer shit, it's actually you're supposed to use the whole thing with 2 hair dyes, but when you're using 1 hair dye, you're only supposed to use like half the bottle. Just a little thing I forgot to mention while I'm watching my video editing it. You know what I mean? I'm sorry. Can you ever forgive me?
I'm trying to make this quick because I got work and later. I'll make sure to try to get as much as I can. So first off, you start by the roots. I start by the roots. Oh, I gotta take off the carpet. My mother is a little cute. Okay, we're back. So you just start by. I start with the bottom to top because it's just better that way. See how badly grown out they are? I'm gonna just do this as quick as I can because I got work and I'm fucking procrastinator. Okay. My New Year's resolution was to be consistent with this channel, even though no one probably gives a fuck, but it's cool. It's cool. Maybe one day someone will care. My mama cares. I just kind of like do it like that. I just do it real quick. I didn't put Vaseline on my face, but whatever, it's cool. We'll just go with the flow, you know, not think about it too much. I feel like I'm going bald. I did too much shit to my hair. Don't judge me, okay? Fucking the Lord judges me enough. Just kind of separate it like that. I wish I had a tripod. Hi. Okay, maybe that's a better angle. And the reason why this is so white right here is because I bleached my hair and then I did it. And I haven't bleached it since because it's bad for you. Yeah, it's better to make sure your hair is dirty when you do this because you don't want to damage your pillow. It's burning my eyes. Make sure you're in a ventilated area because this shit kind of like strong. It's just like simple like this. I like to massage it in. Make sure it gets in there, you know. Don't want to call you Patchy. Patchy bitch. Just kidding. I'm usually known for doing a lot of my family members' hair. And I always call it Amy's Ratchet Salon. Because I'm ratchet. We ratchet because we broke because we can't afford a hairstylist. So I became my hairstylist. Oh. We'll worry about it after. Gotta throw these socks away now. My white socks. Oh, my neck. Oops. Just want to make sure you get on your roots. It's better to do your roots like fast because then when you procrastinate like me, my roots grew out like this much. When you procrastinate like me, your hair don't be out. It's harder to get the color on there. So always make sure you stay on top of your roots, guys. Don't be like Amy. So I guess it's like a copper red. I don't know. I have hair dye all over my phone. My titties, okay. Perfect. We're 9 minutes into this video already. So this is a look. I'm gonna do this side. I don't know if you could see my growth right there. Okay. That. What the fuck? What? This side grew longer and faster than this side. Doesn't make sense. Oh, but I love my hair color. Look how long my hair got. I'm gonna cut it. Cut it small. Okay. From now on, okay, y'all? Got you. Got you. You know, like very not interesting at all. I wish I had a tripod. I'm probably gonna invest in one. Just another like reminder. I used Ion and I used 2 different colors in Ion, okay? I used a light copper blonde, 8RC. This one. It's probably backwards, but whatever. Sorry. And then I used intense red and 7RR. And then I used 20 developer. You can use whatever fucking developer you want though. I don't know. I noticed the hairstyle's okay. But I asked the people and fucking Sally's, I was just like, yo, what do I use? And they said, you can use a 20. I was just like, I use a 20 din. I use a 20 din. Do the hair dye all over. You'll kick my ass. And if you have hair dye left over, like, sorry, you can't really save it, you know, because me, I have long hair. I need it. I think I caught everything on this side too. Still check. It looks pretty intense right now. I don't know what color it's gonna come out to. Because last time I did it, my hair came out a pretty color. Like, this is how it faded out, like, within 2 months. So, I'm just a wee gal, you know? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing half the time. So, don't judge me. Kind of stop a little bit. Like, try to merge it into your hair, because nobody want a messy hoe. Patchy hoe. Kind of want to keep this like organized because you gotta go back into your hair and put the hair dye all in there. I'm gonna feel so much better about myself. All in my neck. Use Vaseline or something next time, because I'm gonna go to work like this too. So just make sure you're prepared, not like me. Like, I just totally fucking did this last minute and randomly because I'm bored. You gotta make sure you don't miss spots, because I almost missed a spot right here. Make sure you're getting every inch in your hair, you're massaging it in there, you know? You know who I look like? That one chick from X-Men. Looks like a mullet. I'm gonna go show my husband. How do I get out? I can't get out. Hey, brother. I'm back. He judged me. It really legit looks like a mullet. What are you doing around these parts? We're gonna let this sit for a cool second, and then I'm gonna start right here with the bottom, because we gotta go to the beginning of it all. don't have any clips because I'm not fucking fancy. Oh my god. I like to brush through it too though, a little bit. My hairdo, it's ruined. Brush it in there because I like it. I don't want it to be all one color sometimes. Like I kind of like the hues of like how my color looked before. Okay. I don't like doing my ends that much because I don't want to damage them. Okay. Okay. I just kind of do this part right here. You want to make sure you get all this right here because last time I missed all of this. But like, I don't want to damage my hair. Everyone says I look like a white girl. I'm Mexican as fuck though. Oh, do I look white? It's funny because most like Latino people, like Latino descent or whatever, is they think I'm white. See my video, but they say I look white, like most like Latino people or Hispanic or whatever you want to call it. Don't fucking at me, okay? I'm Mexican, so I mean I'm fucking Mexican. I don't know. And a lot of them think I'm fucking white, but then white people are like, no, you look Mexican. I'm like, what? I just don't fit in. That was my mother-in-law, by the way. She cool. I love that woman. Oh, she got me this hair dye. She's so sweet. Love her pieces. So this section is done. This is my bottom. It's funny because when I dye my hair looks like it's super freaking thin. Maybe because I'm fucking going bald, I don't know. Let me just brush it again. Everyone gets so mad at me. They're like, why you treat your hair like that? I'm like, I'm sorry. Like, just brush it from the bottom to the top. I'm just like, I'll get that. It hurts, but it feels good. Okay. So I'm just gonna start sectioning, dyeing it, you know, the huge. Oh yeah, I dye and cut my hair all the time by myself because I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody. I'm gonna just finish off my hair, but pretty much you just fill all your hair, you know, leave it on for 20-30 minutes and then wash it off and I'll be back. Alright. Okay. I stepped in hair dye. Hi y'all. I'm back. Better than ever. Just kidding. Okay, so this is how my hair came out. It came out pretty good. Pretty vibrant right now. It's gonna fade probably like in the next 2 weeks, but it's okay. It's okay. But this is how it came out. It's like a ginger, like reddish color. Like I don't know how to explain it. Pero like, you know, this is how it came out. So yeah. So I'm not interesting or anything. Just me, you know. Okay. So yeah. Hope you like my video. Subscribe, like, whatever the hell you want. Comment. You don't be, you know, all that stuff. So yeah. Peace out. I love you.